Yeah, this is Matt with MSD Curbing. This is another example of one of our custom hand carved stones. I actually put a video on this job about a month and a half ago. The customer called me up, let me know that they've got all the rock in there all cleaned up. And it's all completed and finished. Obviously this is multiple different colors. Earth tone, natural, goes terrific with this house. This is actually done on a little bit bigger mold too. This is a super slant mold, so it's a little bit higher in the back and the front, and it actually, when we're done with it, widens out, and it's probably every bit of 10 or 11 inches wide. You can see all the colors coming out, all the browns and the grays, and the sandstone base color that we started out with. If you like this, give me a call myself, 910-3665, 910-3665, MSDcurbing.com, Facebook, Google+, Pinterest.